Welcome back. If you've been deleting photos, videos, or other files on your Samsung Galaxy phone but still notice that your storage is almost full, there's a good chance those deleted items are still sitting in the trash. Samsung devices keep deleted files for a while before removing them permanently, which means they continue to use storage until you empty the trash yourself. To get started, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll through the menu until you find Device Care, then tap on it. This section is designed to help you monitor your phone's overall health, including battery life, storage, and memory. From there, select Storage to see how your phone's storage space is being used. Once you're on the storage page, scroll down until you find Recycle Bin or Trash. Depending on your Samsung model or One UI version, the name may be slightly different. Tap it to view the deleted files that are waiting to be permanently removed. You'll notice that the trash is organized into categories such as Images, Videos, or My Files. Open the category you want to clear. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen and choose Empty. Your phone will ask if you're sure you want to permanently delete the selected files. Simply tap Confirm, and the process will begin. Within a few seconds, the trash will be completely emptied, giving you back the storage space those files were using. Just remember that once you empty the trash, the deleted files can't be restored. If you're looking to keep your Samsung Galaxy phone running smoothly and avoid unnecessary storage issues, making it a habit to clear the trash every so often is a smart and simple maintenance step.